Hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club and today I have something really exciting and new to share with you. Until now, for the last 3 years or so, I have been creating these Happy Mail boxes. These are boxes that get sent monthly. Every month there is a new theme and they're aimed at people like myself that love to create, love to be creative through scrapbooking, creative journaling, planning, card making, anything like that, just feeling organised. These kits are made for you if you like that kind of thing. They're beautiful kits. Everything is wrapped inside so it feels like you're getting a whole box of goodies. Now, like I said, they do also include planning items, and I've decided to go a little step further and actually extend and improve on what we are already doing, and we are now going to be offering a planner set. I'm really excited to tell you more about this kit. So right now you've got your lists, you've got your weekly schedules, you've got calendar, you've got to-do lists. These are all included inside your monthly kit. But from now there is also the option to purchase a planner set. This set is A5. It's really high quality. It comes with a sticker set, a very sturdy dashboard for the front, and it also comes with your planner pages. I'm going to show you in closer detail in just a moment so you can have a look at the pages. The pages are matte, they're 170 GSM, so they're really high quality. They feel beautiful and your pen isn't going to show through on the other side, which for me personally is really important. The planner sets are geared up to how I like to plan, and again I will show you and explain more about that to you in just a moment. I just really wanted to offer something that's really affordable to people like myself. I'm a working mum and I'm just always juggling so many things, but they're also aimed at people that obviously don't have kids, that are just really busy, students, homeschoolers, anything like that where you are busy and you need a schedule and you just need to plan. Because I don't know about you, but when I'm organised and I feel like I have it under control, even if I don't have it under control, but it's in my planner, I just feel so much happier inside. These kits are going to be sent at the start of every month. So right now the January pages are on sale and they will be sent at the start of December. So you will have your planner set well ahead of time so you can start setting it up for the month ahead. The main kits, the main Lollipop Box Club kit then that will coordinate with this, will be sent still on the 17th of that month. So you will get your kit then to be creative with just a couple of weeks later. They still remain as free UK delivery and £5.50 for delivery anywhere else. I just think it's about time that we had something like this in the UK. And obviously if you purchase both kits, you've got your super bumper planner kit where you will have lots and lots of other bits and pieces to play with as well. And again, I will show you some examples in just a moment. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to set it up on my desk and let you have a closer look at what we are now offering. So I've stripped everything out. This is a plain planner, so you can really focus on the pages. I have started setting them up so you can see how I intend for them to be used. So first up, this is the sticker set. Every month there will be a sticker set included and it will obviously match, and there will always be the month. You've got your dates, you've also got some tick-off lists, and you will also have enough to-do lists, cleaning, telephone, coffee, meal planning, goals, remember, days out. You've got shopping, planning, happy mail. So obviously if you're expecting your Lollipop Box Club kit or the day it goes out, you could use that. We've got date nights, we've got create. So when you've got your creative time, me time, anything. I've got hearts, always need hearts, something really nice coming up. You've got today's, you've got dollar signs for if you're budget planning or if you need to pay for something. You've also got gifts if you've got a celebration coming up, a birthday, anniversary, something like that. And I've also got stars if you just need to make a note of something. These could also be used for goals as well. Now, like I said, this planner set is A5 and it comes with the standard 6 holes, which will fit any standard A5 planner. The dashboard is really solid. It's a lovely thick card, and every month you will have the month there on the front. Now, as we open this, you will always have a year planner on the other side of the dashboard. And then we go on to the actual planner pages. This month, in the month of January, you've got 11 pages. It will obviously vary depending on how many weeks there are in the month. And these pages, like I said before, they're matte and they're 170 GSM. They are really lovely, thick pages. That was something that was really, really important to me when I was researching and finding suppliers. You've got there your January, so you can fill things in, and you've also got goals. I do like to set a couple of goals every month. Then as we turn over, we have important dates. I've got a couple of birthdays there. Monthly tasks. I'm using this for when I have set things that I need to do, or just something in particular that month. And then we've got mustn't forgets, and I've already got a back to school, and I'm sure there will be lots more to include. We've also got this week's plan. There will be one of these for the start of every week. I will be using mine for meal planning and also a cleaning schedule. I need to really, really work more on a cleaning schedule. I have this excellent early morning cleaning routine that works so well for me, but more things like stripping beds, you know what I mean, just those things that aren't every day. I think I need to set myself more of a cleaning schedule to help me, because I find by actually having something written down, I find it so much easier to work by. So this is how I'm going to be using mine. Obviously you could use it in a different way. Homework schedule, study plan, anything like that. This would be really, really helpful for you. And there is plenty of space, so you don't just have to keep it for your meal planning or your cleaning. You can actually use it for various different things. Now, as we turn the page, this is where it gets exciting. This is our new weekly schedule. I like to plan in blocks. So this is more of a block planner. You've got your AMs and PMs. Obviously you don't have to stick by those. That's just how I like to work. And how I plan to use this, I've used one here as an example, and as you can see, I'm using the stickers there as well. We've got a birthday coming up. We are going out as a family day on the 2nd. Friday, I've already booked in a coffee morning with my husband. I think we are going to need it. And I think Saturday I will be ready for a deep clean after the new year. Sundays is always my meal planning, early evening. I always do meal planning for the week, get the menu written up, get my shopping lists done. That gets me really, really set for the week. Now, as far as block planning goes, this is what I wanted to share a little bit more with you about. I like to have things in a list form. Lists are the way forward for me. They just really, really work. And I find when I have a planner, sometimes things are scattered. I try and split them up so I have AM and PM, but my brain functions working downwards, and that works better for me. I like to almost have things in order. So I've got my cleaning and breakfast block. That's always first thing in the morning. I get the cleaning done, I get the meals prepped, and I do my early morning cleaning routine. I then also have time where I sit at my computer, and once the kids have gone to school, I have a coffee and I get all my emails and admin out of the way. Then I know for a fact on this particular day, after we've had the new year and family day out, I will be needing to work on video editing. And then the same time every day is mealtime for us. And that also includes clearing up and things like that. And then I also slip into my evening routine. So you can see how block planning really works. But I've left these tick off bits at the end, and I'm actually thinking of increasing these. If there are any changes that you think will work better, this is really, really early days. Let me know, because I'm always happy for suggestions. I'm always happy to go with new ideas. But these are for appointments, anything like that. If you've got a dentist appointment, if you've got shopping to do, you can write these down. Birthdays. We've got teenagers that work now as well after school. So anything like that you can write down here. They don't necessarily have to feature in your planner, in your daily column there. This again for me works really, really well. I do not need to have in my block planner that my husband's off that day. But I like to have in order of the day what I'm actually doing, and then I can tick things off as well. Then as we turn the page, we've got a notes page where you can scribble down anything you need. This could be a brain dump, this could be shopping lists, this could just be things that you need to do. If you have an email to send, for example, you could maybe write notes about it. Anything like that, this is where you can do your jotting down. And then we go on to the next week, again, ready for your meal planning, your cleaning schedule, your study list, whatever it is. And then on to the next week, and so on. I hope you like this layout. I hope you feel excited about this as much as I do. And I'm just going to give you a couple of sneaks right now. The next kit that will be going on sale right now, I am getting the November kits ready to send, the Enchanted Forest kits. The next kit to be sent will be at the middle of December, and this is the kit that will be matching this planner set. It's called Chase Your Dreams. The kit goes on sale on the 17th of November, so this Saturday. I will link you up so you can have a look. It's not for sale right now, but you can see where it will be. And this is the kit that will coordinate with this planner set. We've got exciting things. We have a beautiful pen. We've also got the most adorable planner clip. Isn't she sweet? I'm so happy. And she sparkles as well. There's a planner clip like this every single month in the kit that matches. And this month we have got something completely new that I'm so excited about. We have a notepad. I am so pleased with these. They are so sweet. So this matches as well. I'm not going to share anything else with you about this kit because I don't want to ruin the surprises. As if you aren't familiar with Lollipop Box Club, one of the main things about the kits is there is a huge amount that is kept a surprise. If you haven't seen the kits below, I will link up. You can have a look at what I'm packing for this month and you will get a feel of things. I don't open all the packages because I want my subscribers to have a surprise, but you will get an idea of what's in the kit. And these kits are going to be hugely improved this year, even better. And I'm just so excited for you to get this first kit. So let me know what you think about the planner set. I can't wait to hear. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, anything like that. Like I said before, I want the set to be really affordable. It is $6.95 if you subscribe right now. That's an introductory offer. And like I said, that includes the planner set and it includes the stickers. So that's $6.95 and that's free UK delivery. If you would just like to try a one-off kit, it's £7.95. They are on sale right now. I'm linking them up below so you can take a look. And the main Lollipop Box Club kit to match will be going on sale for subscribers on the 17th of November. And the one-off kits for that kit go on sale on the 1st of December. The planner sets will be sent out at the start of December, so you have plenty of time to receive them and get set up ready for the new year. I am so excited about these new changes. Like I said, the main kit is going to be improved as well. It just gets better and better. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. We do have a chat group, a community private chat group. If you would like to join, I will link that up below as well. I always announce any changes, any offers, any bargain boxes, anything like that first, and you also get to see how other subscribers are using their kits. thank you so much for watching today. I think I've gone on enough now. Like I said, any questions, any suggestions, let me know what you think. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.